Welcome back, everybody. Your forewarned weather. So many people have plans today, whether it's the big Tiger game against the A's tonight or the Beyonce concert or big plans, small plans. A lot of people really watching your forecast right now.
Yeah, golf leagues, little league games, all that kind of stuff will be impacted. So if you have outdoor plans, listen up. This is a forewarned weather alert day because of the enhanced risk of seeing severe storms crossing our area. An enhanced risk is level 3 out of level 5. What I want to break down, though, are our threats for you. So the primary threat heading into the afternoon and evening will be damaging wind gusts, and these could exceed 65 miles per hour. We also have the possibility of seeing large hail, not quite as significant as last week, but still it could be about the size of a ping pong ball if we get strong enough updrafts. But torrential rainfall also in the forecast. So when you pair damaging winds that could knock out power with the torrential rain, I have concern for basement flooding. So check on your sump pumps tonight. In addition, if this knocks out power, we have a stretch of days where we will be in the 90s. So the excessive heat then becomes a concern as we round out the work week. Isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. The biggest time frame is 2 to 9, but it comes in 2 waves. Here's the first wave that we're looking at. A ton of lightning crossing Lake Michigan, now just north of Grand Rapids and pushing into southwest Michigan. We're getting the cloud cover from that at this hour. But as I put Exact Track 4D on, you can see the shade of pink here. That's a severe thunderstorm watch. So it's all the way right up to our viewing area here, but not crossing Livingston or Washtenaw counties yet. This watch to our west, if you do have plans to travel west this afternoon, is set to lift at 4, but then we'll have that moving into our area. So let's time all this out for you. Right now, we are in the 80s, and the warmer that we get, the more humid we are. It's going to fuel these afternoon storms, sitting at 85 at City Airport right now. Hour by hour, those clouds are overtaking our area. I've stopped the clock at 2. That's where Lansing, Jackson dealing with some of these showers and storms. But then look at how heavy the rain is, getting close to Flint by 3. A lot of us from Livingston, Oakland, down to Washtenaw, Wayne counties dealing with scattered storms at this point. That pushes up into the thumb by 4. So that first wave really between about 3 and 5. Now, we're not completely dry in this window from 5 to 7. There still are some remnant showers, but watch what happens by 7 to 9, the second wave. And this is where we're keeping an eye on where it bows out. I want you to think of a bow and arrow. And when you shoot the arrow, that apex of the bow, that's going to be where the winds are the strongest. And so this is going to be pushing into Monroe, Toledo with the latest data run that we have had in this area. That could continue to push to the southeast, but we have some remnant showers from about 9 till midnight that we'll be contending with. So think of 3 to 5 and 7 to 9 as the 2 waves of severe weather. We talked about torrential rain. We could be picking up about 1.5 inches of rain in some locations. So if you lose power and you're picking up this amount of rain in a short amount of time, keep checking your basements for flooding. If you're going to be driving out and about this evening, look for standing water as well, because we could have ponding and pooling on the roads. So we top out close to 80 this afternoon with those storms rolling through the area, and then we pick up another marginal risk for some severe storms come late Friday. But we'll be muggy as we go into tomorrow, Friday, and even into Saturday before starting to catch some relief for the second part of the weekend. So your future forecast keeps us in the 90s Friday. Rhonda, I wouldn't be surprised if we end up seeing a heat advisory issued Friday where heat indices could be around 100, finally getting back in the 80s this weekend.